Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Word and ensuring you have a saved copy so changes are reversible. Once done, decide whether you want one page turned horizontal or the entire file. That choice changes the steps. Go to the Layout tab now because that's where orientation lives. Make sure to keep the cursor on the page you want changed if doing a single page. Otherwise, the whole document will flip. This early choice prevents rework later and keeps headers and footers consistent. You'll change orientation in the Layout tab. Choose Orientation then Landscape to flip pages. If you need only one page horizontal, insert a section break. Insert breaks next page, before and after the target page so the change is isolated. Once the section exists, place the cursor inside it and apply Layout Orientation Landscape. This converts only that section. Make sure headers, footers, and margins match what you expect. Because sections can inherit different formatting, if not handled, you finish by reviewing layout details. Inspect headers and footers and disable link to previous where you want different content. Then adjust margins via layout margins so text and images sit correctly in the horizontal space. Once everything looks right, save the document with a clear name. If the wrong page is flipped, don't panic, undo the last steps, remove unintended section breaks, and repeat the section-specific orientation process carefully. This fixes most errors quickly and preserves document structure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.